Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Former Nigerian President Dr. Goodluck Jonathan says he would have relocated his mother from Bayelsa State to Abuja if Governor Diri'S had lost the November 11 governorship election. Dr. Jonathan made the observation recently in Government House, AKUGHA, where he went to congratulate Governor Diri'S on his re-election.
At the just concluded Bayelsa State governorship election, Senator Diri'S, the incumbent governor and candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), won with a wide margin, having polled 175,196 votes to defeat 15 other candidates, including his closest rival, Chief Timipri Silva of the All Progressives Congress (APC), who got 110,108 votes. Governor Diri'S' re-election has since generated jubilation among Bayelsans, including former President Goodluck Jonathan, who recently paid a solidarity visit to the governor at Government House, AKUGHA. While in Creek Haven, Dr. Jonathan observed that under the leadership of Governor Diri'S, Bayelsa State had witnessed sustained peace and security. The former Nigerian leader said if Governor Diri'S had lost the election, he would have relocated his aged mother from Bayelsa State to Abuja.
In this last period, 3 years plus almost 4 years, there's significant improvement in terms of the cultism and kidnapping and so on and so forth. I was saying before the election that if Diri'S loses this election, maybe I'll relocate my mother to Abuja. We've passed through hell in this state, and we've seen a little light at the end of the tunnel.
Dr. Jonathan, who declared that Governor Diri'S won the election with the people's mandate, enjoined the governor's opponents to work with him to move Bayelsa State forward.
The results have been declared, and we believe the elections were well conducted, and we believe the governor won the election, and we plead that people should accept it and work with the governor. Let all of us support him so that the state will move ahead.
In his response, Governor Diri'S thanked Bayelsans for re-electing him, while acknowledging that Dr. Jonathan contributed immensely to his victory at the polls.
Few days to the election, you hosted us and publicly endorsed this ticket as your ticket. And you know, that spoke volumes for our electorates here in Bayelsa. And so, this election is won because you came out all strong to support my candidature.
Contrary to fears that the November 11 governorship election will be marred by violence, security agencies were on ground to ensure that the process was generally peaceful. Governor Diri'S had given the credit to President Bola Tinubu while receiving his certificate of return as the duly elected governor of Bayelsa State.
At the end of the day, we discovered that the president allowed free and fair elections to be conducted in Bayelsa State. That is a testimonial that Mr. President is writing for himself in the furtherance of democracy in this country.
With his re-election, Governor Diri'S will be inaugurated on the 14th of February 2024. For the governor, that date marks the beginning of another journey intended to consolidate on the laudable achievements of his prosperity government since he came to power almost 4 years ago.
Inside the Niger Delta,